If you want to enable back tap gestures on Motorola Edge 70 Pro, first of all, we need to go to Settings. Once you open the settings, we're gonna scroll down a little bit, and then you want to go to Gestures. Once you open the gestures, then in here we should be able to find the Quick Launch option. So we're gonna go up here, and you should be able to tap on this switcher to turn it off, or of course turn it on. Since we want to enable it, we want to make sure that it is enabled. You can also tap on the setting in the bottom left corner to make some adjustments. You can choose what should happen when you double tap the back of the phone. By default, we activate Moto AI, but you can choose pretty much anything else from this list, and you can even choose the specific app that should be opened with this gesture. So let's say I'm gonna choose to take a screenshot. So now I should be able to double tap the back of the phone in order to capture the screenshot. You might need to, of course, practice a little bit and find out where exactly you need to tap. Usually I tap like over here in this area, but I noticed that sometimes it doesn't work, so I'm pretty sure there's like a better spot. But just to practice, if you go to this quick launch option, then over here we have try it out option that we can use in order to get a feedback if we tap correctly in the correct spot. So let's see if I can find the spot where we should be able to tap. I assume that over here if I tap, then it should be detected, but I guess not. So it's very tricky sometimes to figure out where exactly we need to tap. There we go, now it worked, and I tapped exactly over here. And sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. Maybe I just need to do this stronger. So here it should be pretty good spot. There we go. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.